What's up guys, Sam here, and in this video we're going to learn how to get data from the user. So let's fire up our IDEs and get started. Alright, so in a new C++ file, I'm going to create a variable called age. So type int age, and this variable is going to hold the age from the user. Next, I'm going to type a message to ask the user to input the age. So I'm going to type cout, 2 left arrows, quotation marks, enter your age. Alright, so to get data from the user, we're going to type cn 2 right arrows age. So for example, if they put 5, the number 5 will be put into age. If they put 10, then 10 will be put into age. So now that we have the user's age, let's display it back to the user. So type cout 2 left arrows and your age is. Now after the quotation mark, type 2 left arrows again, and then the name of the variable age. I'm going to put 2 end line statements here. Alright, so let's build and run this and see what we get. Alright, so we get the first message that asks us to enter our age. So I'm going to put 20. Press enter, and then we get the second message that tells us our age is 20. Alright, that's good so far, but we also can get letters and words from the user. So to do this, we're going to first need to include a string library. So after the preprocessor directive up here, skip a line, type include, and in here type string. This will include the string library, and the string is basically just a collection of characters, just like the characters on your keyboard. So right here, I'm going to create a new variable called string first name. Now this is a string variable, and it's going to hold the first name of our user. So before we ask the user for the age, I'm going to ask the user for the first name. So type cout 2 left arrows, what is your first name? And semicolon. And the next line, we're going to have cn again, 2 right arrows, and the variable first name. So whatever the user types here is going to be set to the first name variable. Alright, so now we got the first name and age of the user. Let's update our message here. So delete everything from your age is age, and I'm going to write hello, close quotation mark, 2 left arrows, first name, 2 left arrows again, comma, your age is, quotation mark, 2 left arrows, and age. So this is saying, hello, whatever the first name is, your age is, and whatever our age is. So let's build and run this and see what we get. Alright, so we get the message, what is your first name? I'm going to put Sam. Press enter. What is my age? I'm going to put 20. And then we get the message, hello Sam, your age is 20. Alright, so we learned how to get data from the user. And in the next video, we're going to learn all about if statements. Subscribe and leave a like if you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.